Diolch am yr cyfle i ddymuno penblwydd hapus i sefydliad sy'n gwneud cyfraniad enfawr at iechyd a ffitrwydd Ynys Môn, a sydd hefyd yn digwydd bod yn ganolfan ragoriaeth chwaraeon o safon byd eang. One of the highlights of the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games was Welsh weightlifter Gareth Evans' stunning gold medal winning performance. His lifting was immense, but just as impressive was the passion he showed in running over to his coach, Ray Williams, to celebrate. Now, Ray himself had realised a dream as a coach, but before coaching, he himself had won gold for Wales at the 1986 Games in Edinburgh. Ray had been introduced to lifting by Bob Wrench, a bronze winner in the Christchurch Games in 1974. And it was Bob who had the vision to establish the Holyhead and Anglesey Weightlifting and Fitness Club 50 years ago. A high school sports teacher, not only was he hugely talented at weightlifting, but he could see what lifting could offer to the area's young people, many of whom would otherwise not have such opportunities. Ray and Gareth were among thousands to benefit. To give you an idea of HAWFC's success, Ray himself has coached lifters to 97 gold medals at youth and senior, Welsh and international level. But it's the community aspect of the club that's just as important. This is a centre with its doors open to all. So happy birthday, Holyhead and Anglesey Weightlifting Club. Penblwydd hapus a hir oes i'r sefydliad yma sydd wedi gwneud gymaint i'w chymuned a drwy rhagoriaeth wedi gwneud cymaint i helpu rhoi Caergybi a Môn ar fap chwaraeon y byd.